Hi everyone, and thanks for tuning in today. In this video I'll be showing you how to make a quick egg sauce. Don't forget to subscribe for more of cooking video. Thanks for watching. You'll be using egg, sardine, some veg, pepper, onions, and tomatoes. So the first thing you need to do is to add the oil, heat it for some time. You then add your onions, add your chopped tomatoes, your chopped pepper, mix thoroughly and leave to cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Crack some egg in the bowl, depending on the number of the family you're cooking for. Check your bowl, add some sauce, mix thoroughly again, and possibly leave to cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. Add your sardine, depending on the number of sardine you like to add. Add your whisk egg. Don't forget to put your stock, maybe like salt, a little bit, depending on what you want. Mix thoroughly and carefully and cover to cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. Check and make sure it's not sticking to the pot. Continue to mix thoroughly until it's properly cooked. As you can see, it's still not properly cooked. So we have to mix it around and cover to cook again. Add your veg, depending on the kind of veg you like. Add onions, pepper if you wish to, some salt, then mix thoroughly again and leave to cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. Make sure you mix it thoroughly and cover to simmer for 3 to 5 minutes again. As you can see, our egg sauce is properly cooked and is ready to be eaten. I'll be eating roasted potatoes. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.